What do you have, yarn? Oh, that's a pretty yarn. Be careful. Oh, how pretty that yarn is. Yarn. 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 Mommy used that yarn for your costume. Costume. Don't worry, I'm not going to splash it. It won't hurt your eyes. Show me where your eyes are. And where's your nose? Where's your ears? Where's your belly button? Oh, yeah. Your belly button. Where's your fingers? Where's your fingers? Very good. Your fingers. Show Stella. Show your sleeping sister where your fingers are. Can you say Happy Halloween? Fingers. Yarn. Yarn. You're shoveling the yarn? Yarn. Yarn and a shovel. Shovel. There's Stella. What's Stella doing? Sleeping? Sleeping, baby? You sleeping, baby? Ah. You have a lot of yarn there. Yarn. Put the yarn on your shovel. Atta girl. There you go. Yarn. Yarn. Get all the pieces. Yarn. That's the yarn from the pom-poms. Pom-poms. Where do you see the pom-poms? Yarn.